What's going on, beautiful people? It's story time, and it takes a village. And one of my Jewish sisters, as her Sabbath began at sundown on Friday, she took the time to be of service to me. And as a woman of faith, I understood the significance of taking up some of her Shabbat. The book tells us, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 28. So today I was reflecting on the Jewish culture and tradition, and I wanted to share with you all what Shabbat Shalom means when our Jewish brothers and sisters greet. Literally, the phrase means, what is the state of your peace? When Jews say Shabbat Shalom, Sabbath peace, to family and friends after a draining work week, it means far more than have a peaceful and restful day. What they are really saying is, may you be fully restored to wholeness on the blessed Sabbath. Now, what seventh day Sabbath is on Saturday or Sunday, I pray Shabbat Shalom to all of you.